Hey there, it's the Credit Dad, and today I'm here to introduce you to one of the smartest tools to rebuild or establish credit the right way. It's called the Credit Builder card, and it's a secured credit card designed with one goal in mind, helping you grow your credit score safely and steadily. So how does it work? Well, this isn't your average credit card. With the Credit Builder card, you start by making a refundable deposit as little as $200, which becomes your credit limit. No credit history, no problem. This card doesn't require a high score to get approved. You're almost guaranteed if you can make the deposit. Every time you use your card and make on-time payments, those payments are reported to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. That builds your payment history, which is the no one factor in your credit score. And here's what makes this card stand out. No hard credit check to apply reports to all three credit bureaus. Helps build credit fast with responsible use. Refundable deposit. It's your money, low fees, and manageable monthly payments. Works with most online platforms for autopay and alerts. If you've been turned down before, or you're just starting fresh, this is the kind of card that can help you get approved for a car, a home, or even better credit cards in the future. Now, don't wait for perfect credit to make your next move. Start building it one smart payment at a time. Click the link below to apply for the Credit Builder card and grab my free financial wellness guide while you're at it. It's full of practical tips to take your credit and your finances to the next level